Look at the puppy.
Help me!
Help me. Oh, look at all that slime on his tire. Oh, it's yucky, sticky slimes.
Help you!
Hello? Anybody?
Yeah!
I heard you. Who is that?
Lorenzo.
That's Lorenzo?
Yep.
Lorenzo, can you help?
Rocky.
Help me. Help, I can't see. There's slime on me. Oh. Whoa. Whoa, that's even worse than before. I could kind of see, but I'm stuck. Look at all this slime. It doesn't even fit in the truck, Lorenzo. The truck, it doesn't even fit. Oh, wow, look, it's taking off some of the dirt from him. The paint from this truck is coming off, and I think it actually has a paint job underneath it. We should try to wash this off. Yeah, look at that. It's all coming off. That's really cool.
Hi.
Hey, everyone.
Slime.
Whoa, what is that? Is that slime?
Yep.
And what is that? Are those monster trucks?
Yep.
Wow, look at this one.
They're yucky.
Yeah, it's yucky. It's dirty. Whoa, Lorenzo, look at this one. It's a dump truck. Wow, look at that. And wow, that's really cool. What color is it?
What?
It's red.
They're Maggie.
That's Max D, yeah.
They're
yeah.
Maggie.
And then that's Megalodon, yep. And then who's that right there?
Rabbit.
That's Zombie.
A puppy.
And that's the puppy. There's the little puppy.
Bill. Bill.
Okay, that's blue.
What?
This is gray.
Die. Then.
Green.
Then. Purple.
Purple. What color is this?
Black.
Pink.
Red.
Yellow. Yep, yellow.
Bill.
And blue. All right, let's open these up. Get it all out. Okay, there's the gold slime, the yellow slime. Nice. Here's the gray slime. Wow.
She's dark.
Yeah, look at that.
She's dark.
Wow, they're all covered with slime. I'm getting the green one out.
Oh, no more.
Here.
Tell Sammy.
Wow, look at all that slime. Look at all that slime. Oh, that's purple. Oh, that's purple. And we got gold right here too. Oh, wow. This slime is sticking. Sticking to everything, this slime.
This, a dump truck.
Oh, it's in a dump truck?
Yep.
That's really cool.
It's a dump truck mountain.
Oh! Max D. Max D, what happened? I can't see. I can't see. Oh, I can see again.
Oh.
Thank you.
Took you some off your hat?
Yeah, you took the slime off my head. Thank you. Thank you. Now I can see again. Ah! Blah, blah. Hey.
Did you see?
No, I can't see. I can't see. I can't see. Oh, thank you so much. I could see again. Somebody put slime on my head. Who did that? Ah!
Oh, this is Sam. Let's see your eyes.
I don't see. Hello. Oh!
Took you some off.
Oh, thank you for taking my slime off. Wow, look at this truck.
Yucky.
Look at this truck. It's got purple underneath that. It's just covered in like dirt. Look at the puppy.
Help me.
Help me. Oh, look at all that slime on his tire. Oh, it's yucky, sticky slimes. Oh, yucky, sticky slime.
Yucky, sticky slime.
Yucky, sticky slime. Whoa.
More slime down.
There's more slime here. Look, this is like a big ball of slime. Let's make a big ball of slime. You ready? Let's put it all together and make it one.
Me too.
You're gonna do it? Okay,
Yep.
go ahead, do it. Make it all one big slime. Oh, look at that. Look at that slime. That's a big slime.
Yep.
That's a big slime. Look at the slime stuck to the track here.
Yep.
Here, I'll put put that on there too. There you go. Big, nice ball of slime for you. It's really colorful too. Oh no, I don't want to be yucky anymore. Hey, hey, hey! Wow! Wow! It's really heavy. I can't. Oh, I'm flipping. Oh.
Have you?
Hello? Anybody?
Yeah.
I heard you. Who's that?
Lorenzo.
That's Lorenzo?
Yep.
Lorenzo, can you help?
Robbie.
Help me. Help, I can't see. There's slime on me. Oh. Whoa. Whoa, that's even worse than before. I could kind of see, but I'm stuck. I can't move. I need somebody to help push me out. Push me out. Oh, not push me in. Push me out. Oh, it's all over my tire. Oh, it's all over my tire. Oh, now it's on the dump truck.
Yep.
Lorenzo, should we put some in the dump truck?
Uh-huh. Me too.
Yeah, put some in the dump truck.
Me power. Me back.
I put some in the dump truck.
Me too.
Nice. Now where are we gonna dump it?
The wheels.
On the wheels?
Yep. Tap, tap, tap.
Lift it up like this. Yeah. Yeah, like that. Go ahead, lift the back up. Nice. Now scoop it out. Ah, dump it. Ah.
Wheels, yucky.
Whoa. Missed me. It's on the side of my face. It's too heavy. I'm flipping. Oh.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Help me.
I'll help. I'll help. Put the slime in here. Put it in the back of the bed. The truck. Oh. Ah. That's too much slime. I can't see. I can't see. Oh, I can see again. Look at all this slime. It doesn't even fit in the truck, Lorenzo. The truck, it doesn't even fit.
Nope.
It's too heavy. I'm flipping. Oh.
I put some up.
Can anybody guess what truck this is? Let's reveal the truck. Let's hide the trucks from the kids and let them guess. This truck has red wheels. Which truck is this, do you think? It's got red wheels.
Puppies.
It could be a puppy, or it could be Zombie, because Zombie also has these red wheels like this too.
Oh, Robin, what top?
Here, let's pull it off and see who it is.
You see it or not?
Oh, it looks like it is Puppy.
Yep.
Look at that.
I put some up.
Puppy's got slime. Take it off. Here, Puppy.
No.
Puppy has some more on his ear. Look at this. Here. Who do you think this one is?
Maggie.
It could be Max D. Oh, I think it is Max D. Oh.
I put some up.
We're not gonna pull it off? Oh, you're pulling it off. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, it is Max D. You were right. You were right. What color is Max D?
White.
Yeah, red. And what color is this?
Yellow.
Yeah, red and yellow. Do you know who this one is? He has blue tires.
One thing.
You think it's Megalodon?
Nama, they love it.
I think Megalodon was the only one with the Oh, it is Megalodon. Look at that. Look at that.
Somehow Nama.
Yeah. Who do we think is under here now? He does have. He has red wheels.
Running.
You think it's Zombie?
Yep.
All right, pull it off. Let's see.
It's yellow Zombie.
Ooh.
Yellow Zombie.
Look at that.
Maggie.
Look at all the slime is stuck in the vac.
Not take it back.
Ooh, and look, it's on his hand. Who do we think this one is? He has yucky tires. Look, they're dirty tires. Let's pull it off. Let's see who it is.
Oh, a puppy?
Maybe.
The puppy?
Oh no, the puppy's there, so it can't be the puppy.
No. Muddy? Oh, is that Muddy?
Yeah, Max D's there too, so it can't be Max D.
Nope.
Ooh, look at that. Whoa.
Up.
Whoa. You know who that is?
Yep.
It's Dragon.
Dang.
It's Yucky Dragon. He's covered in dirt. Now, Lorenzo, who do we think this is?
Dump truck.
The dump truck.
Dump truck. My truck.
Are you sure it's the dump truck?
Monster dump truck.
Yeah, it is the dump truck. It looks like the dump truck. You can't really hide him. We don't have enough slime to hide him. All right, go ahead, pull it off.
A dump truck, monster.
Dump truck monster truck.
Yep.
What color is the dump truck monster truck?
What?
It's red. Yeah, that's right.
That puppy done.
The puppy's getting some slime too?
Yep.
Okay. Wow. Uh-oh. Oh, you missed me. Well, look at that. I could just run it over. Oh, now I can't see.
No!
I can't see, and I'm stuck because there's slime on my wheel. I can't see. I'm stuck because there's slime on my wheel. Oh, I'm flipped over. I'm flipped over. Oh. Oh, thank you, Lorenzo. Oh, look. Now it's on you.
A puppy.
Now it's on the puppy.
Yep.
What are we going to do?
Oh, no.
Look, I can't even escape. It's pulling. Oh, get off of me. Get off of me, slime. Get off of me. Wow, this slime is really strong. Look at that. Look at this truck.
Oh, yucky. This is monster yucky.
Yeah, monster truck, very yucky.
Yep.
Oh, wow, look, it's taking off some of the dirt from him.
Yep.
That's interesting. That's really interesting. I guess he's getting cleaned off. Look at this. Because look, the dirt's all over my hand now. It's like the paint is coming off of this. Look! The paint from this truck is coming off. And I think it actually has a paint job underneath it. We should try to wash this off. This is weird. I didn't even know I thought these trucks were
yucky.
Yeah, they're yucky, but I didn't know that paint comes off of them. Are they supposed to do that? Whoa. Yeah, look at that. It's all coming off. That's really cool. Now,
Purple.
wow. It's purple and yellow. I did not know this truck did this. Get right here and stuff. There you go. Go ahead, spray it more. Oh! Yeah, look, his eyes are blue.
Huh?
Dude, I didn't even know that this did this.
Yep.
That's crazy.
Oh, purple.
Yeah, it's purple and yellow.
Purple, yellow, blue.
Do you like that truck?